Hello YouTube, iFixItAll here, Team iFixItAll. So the question today is, how hot is it? Or should I say, how do you actually place a thermometer? What I mean is, the temperature outside is either that or that, I hope you can see that, or that, and that's still climbing, or hope you can see that. It's, yeah, that, which has never failed me. This is made in USA. Yeah, right there. Made in USA. Or that, made in USA. And I believe that says Springfield Instrument Company, Hackensack, New Jersey. It's been a long question I've had. How do we really base our temperature? In the sun, or perhaps a homemade thermometer, which is a automatic choke pull-off from an older vehicle with a zip tie affixed to it, because it does say Motorcraft. And it reads that. What is the real temperature? How do you place a thermometer? Yeah, this thing is still creeping up. Yeah, it'll get up there. It'll get up there and join everybody else. That's the question. Because when you're out working in it, what is the real temperature you pay attention to? Or do you just simply advertise that the temperature is that? Or is it as hot as a chicken? Which everyone here is hiding. That's the question. How do you properly place a thermometer for real to get the real temperature, even though real people are either in the sun or in the shade? How do you do this? Because I'm out working in the garden area and it's supposedly 100 degrees, 120, 110. And I've been overseas in the sand pits of doom. So I know what it feels like to breathe 120 degree air at 2 a.m. in the morning with no sunlight. What are we saying that 95 is hot for? So I decided to throw these thermometers out here, and I got 4 different scenarios. This is obviously, if you was trapped inside this little glass containment system, you would obviously be hot. Okay, not fair. Well, here's a glass tube that's exposed to the environments, and it's reading what it's reading, which is maxed out, 120. And then here's a homemade thermometer that's exposed to air. It can ventilate, but it's still reading 120. This guy is ventilated at the bottom, so air can come up and escape and radiate out so that the glass is not overheated. And this guy seems to be dongling right around 98 or 97, which to me is probably the most accurate of them all. But yet I don't have any issues with the accuracy of any one of the others either. When you mount a thermometer outside, shouldn't you place it out where the sun is? Or perhaps should your thermometer be outside but be facing north? Which means it will never see direct sunlight. It faces north, and if I sat here on this thermometer long enough, you would see the needle coming down and down and down, and it's coming down as we speak, just slowly. Should we be placing our outdoor thermometers facing north so that they're not in direct sunlight and continue the lie? Continuing the lie of how hot is it really? Or should we have always been doing the Weather Channel saying, well, today it's going to be 82 degrees in the sun and 82 in the shade and 101 in the sun? We should be given two things. It's always been confusing to me. Because to see go pull up your weather right now. I don't care. You got to dig around to find out what the feels like is. Your feels, you know. Should we just be placing our thermometers differently so that we're being told the truth? Because a person needs to know what they can handle. And to me, I'm not having no trouble with 120 degrees in the sun right now. The clouds get in front of the sun, and immediately the temperatures just start dropping. It's always bugged me. How do we really measure temperature? And why are we always being told the temperature of what it might be in the shade? Have we become a society that doesn't go out when the sun's out? Maybe that's what's wrong with most people today. Sunlight is a disinfectant. See ya.